We've all been there. Christmas is right around the corner. You've made that list and you've checked it. Well, almost, until you realized you forgot to get something for that special person. Well, don't panic. We've got you covered with a ton of embroidery projects, so stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. It's Shannon with Gigi's Fabric Shop, home of Juki Junkies and Janome Junkies. And I'm so excited for today's episode because we're going to talk about last minute gifts, whether it's a birthday or just because, or maybe the biggest holiday, which is just around the corner. These all can be made right on the Juki Tajima Sai. And the best part is I've got step-by-step tutorials, and those links will be in the description below. Let's start off with the most popular project or gift, and that is embroidered hats. If you've got a Juki Tajima Sai, boy, you are in for a real treat. The Sai can make these hats in no time. Think about customizable hats, maybe So Happy, or a dog mom, or maybe just a bunch of hats with some logos. The Sai can do it in no time. And the best part is I have a video with a step-by-step tutorial on how to install the stabilizer bar, the hoop, and how to do a professional hat just like this. I think your friends and your family will be so surprised that you did this on your embroidery machine. Next on my list is probably one of my favorite hacks for an embroidery project, and that is you can take any embroidery project and frame it. Check out this fun, easy design. You can actually put this on anything, but I framed it so somebody could put it on their wall for decoration. So this design is from Designs by Juju, part of her Snow Globe collection, and the best part is, you guessed it, we have a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this design in the description below. Take a simple embroidery project, frame it, and you have a perfect handmade embroidered gift. Now, if you're looking for something just precious for that little person in your life, I've got a couple projects that I think will be perfect, not only for Christmas, but think about birthdays, or when the baby is born. We have such fun projects we'll go through. So first up is this cute, adorable little plushie. So she's a bunny that we made for Easter, brought to you by Parker on the Porch. This little guy, stuffed bunny, is made in the hoop. That's right, she's completely made in the hoop. You can choose some fun minky fabric, some coordinating cotton, and before you know it, you have just made your very own little stuffed animal. She's got all types of animals on her website, from bunnies to bears and even adorable puppy dogs. So check her site out, but most importantly, check out our tutorial in the description below on how to make this little guy. And once you learn how, you can make all of them. Now, instead of doing the entire project in the hoop like this little stuffed plushie, this little guy is already stuffed. And all you need to do is remove the pods and embroider on the belly. Now, we have a beautiful video that we just did, and we'll put that in the description below on how to embroider this little adorable cubby. I think these are fantastic for stocking stuffers. Can you imagine it sticking out of the stocking? But I also think it's great for birthdays or those newborns with a birth block. And this next project I think is going to surprise and delight anybody anytime throughout the year, and that is embroidered greeting cards. If you didn't know, you can do this on the Juki Tajima Sai, and the best part is because the Sai is so fast, you can stitch these up in no time. Designs by Juju has a fantastic collection of greeting cards from Christmas to birthdays and anniversaries and anything in between. So check out our link in the description below for the tutorial on how to make this project, and I think this will wrap up that gift perfectly. So who's ready for my next project? This is going to be a fan favorite because we're going to decorate your space. So whether that's a mantle, maybe a fireplace, or even a wall, we're decorating with banners today. And like the other projects, because the Sai is so fast, you're going to whip out these projects even faster. So we stitched this Halloween banner up, and she was such a fan favorite that I wanted to bring this to you to consider for the holidays, or maybe birthdays or anniversaries. The list goes on. Head over to Parker on the Porch and visit her banner selection. Watch our video. We'll link that in the description below. We'll get a little bit of confidence on how to make that banner, and you will be stitching in no time. So the next project I think is going to have all the ladies so excited because they're not going to believe that you made jewelry on your embroidery machine. Well, let me show you. We've got some freestanding lace earrings here that can be made on your single needle machine or your multi-needle machine. And these little guys can stitch up in no time, and everybody will be surprised that you did this right on your embroidery machine. If you've got a multi-needle machine and one of those larger hoops, what that means is you can mass produce these so everybody can have matching earrings for the holiday season. We have a great video showing you step by step on how to make these earrings that we actually did on a single needle machine. But like I said, if you're stitching these up on a multi-needle, you can make a bunch of them. So head on over to the description below where we link this video so you can start making jewelry in no time. And just in case maybe you don't want to do a freestanding lace jewelry, that's okay. We can just do freestanding lace designs. This one's a very cute palm tree brought to you by Designs by Juju. We have a great tutorial in the description below on her entire coastal collection. It's so fun, especially if you're from Florida like, well, I am. You can use these for ornaments. You can use these for bookmarks. Think about some really cute gift tags for the holiday. So check out the link in the description below on a step-by-step tutorial, a little water soluble, and some good quality thread like Glide 40 weight. You'll be stitching this little guy out in no time. So we couldn't end it there. I wanted to give you some other bonus gift ideas that can be made right on the Juki Tajima Sai because she's powerful and mighty. I wanted to share a few other designs. So towels are a great gift for any time of the year. Obviously holidays upon us, but think about those parties that you're going to, and maybe you need a hostess gift. Pair this with maybe a bottle of bubbly and you have the perfect little hostess gift. So you can find towels with Christmas trim, or maybe you want to do something monogram for that guest bathroom. So don't forget, towels are timeless and everybody can use them. Another bonus project for you that I think anyone would love are bags. So think about the burlap bag that I have here, maybe a backpack or a quilted bag or a purse or a canvas bag. Well, the list just goes on. I think you get my idea. You can monogram it, you can personalize it with their name, or you can have a lot of fun like I did here that says, wherever you go, I will follow. So many great options when it comes to personalizing those bags. If you want to add a bow to any of those bags, I think it just adds that perfect touch. And if you want to learn how to make a patchwork bow, well, Boki did a fantastic job on her tutorial, and we'll make sure we link that description below. If you're local to us, come visit us at our fabric shop. That's Gigi's Fabric Shop. We're located right here in Bradenton, Florida, and we have wall-to-wall of so many types of fabric that you can use on projects just like this, or maybe you're just sewing out a quilt. So if you're in the area, stop by and let us know you're here. We'd love to meet you. Now, we've talked a lot about the Juki Tajima Sai. Let's give her a little bit of limelight here. This is a compact commercial grade machine, and if you're looking to upgrade or maybe add that second machine, give me a call at 813-661-9000. I'd love to answer any questions and help you make sure you pick the right machine. Now, I have a great video that I did on her, and it's my 10 favorite things that I love about this machine. So give her a watch. We'll put the link in the description below. Write down those questions and then give me a call and I'll answer them. I hope you enjoyed all of these projects. I love videos like this where I can share with you projects that we've done over the years, and the best part is I give you step-by-step tutorials on how to make them. It's like taking the guesswork out. I'm here with you in your sewing studio. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss any videos that we drop on our channel. And until then, I can't wait to see what you're stitching. We'll see you soon. Bye.